Good afternoon. My name is Damayanti Harahap from UIN Syarif Hidayatullah, Jakarta. Today, I'm going to present my research paper titled Analysis of Factors that Affect the Quality of E-Government Service, Case Study Ombudsman of the Republic Indonesia. Backgroundnya, when a service quality can be defined, how far the difference between reality and customer expectation for the service they receive. There are two factors in measuring service quality, namely the service performance and service that customer expect. E-government is carried out to improve management system and work procedures in government environment by optimizing the use of information technology. The aim is to increase the transparency and accountability in government administration and to expand public participation. On the other hand, the use of e-government aims to create good governance. And three, the GovQual method is used to measure the quality of website service in the field of e-government. This model can increase the ability of the government agency to explore needs and encourage the public to use service optimally. Identification of problem. The information available on the website of the Ombudsman of Republik Indonesia is not complete and detailed. The perception of the effectiveness of the e-government website at the Ombudsman Republik Indonesia and the users is not yet known. 3. The existence of users on the website service of the Ombudsman Republik Indonesia, so that users prefer to come directly to make complaint. 4. Website accessibility is sometimes slow and down, so that users are limited in using the website of the Ombudsman Republik Indonesia. 5. Like an information again, 2 steps for filling out the complaint form so that more users make direct complaint. A purpose of the problem. 1. This is to determine the relationship between the quality of e-government service and perceived effectiveness. 2. To find out what factors affect the quality of e-government service on the website of the Ombudsman of the Republic Indonesia. 3. To provide suggestion or recommendation as well as consideration for the Ombudsman Republik Indonesia from this research. This is a research model. The e-GovQual method is used to measure the equality of website service in the work of e-government. This model can increase the ability of government agency to explore needs and encourage the public to make optimal use of service. The scale of the final dimensions of the e-GovQual method is made, namely to 21 attributes in 4 dimensions, namely efficiency, trust, reliability, and citizen support. This study is the e-GovQual model by the perceived effectiveness dimension because according to Faizan Zaidi, perceived effectiveness is the main conception of evaluation of a government service to evaluate perspective of the effectiveness of a government service. Population and sample research. Sampling technique, purpose sampling, and accident sampling with a criteria for people who have used the Ombudsman Republik Indonesia web. Minimum number of sample, determination of the number of representative sample is calculated between 5, 10 number of indicator. Analysis results, 3 demographic analysis result, 2 outer model analysis result, and 3 inner model analysis result. This is a demographic analysis result. Measurement model analysis result, outer model, reliability 2 and reliability 3 have outer loading values 0.7. However, according Yamin and Kurniawan indicator with 0.5 are still SSA, therefore reliability 2 and reliability 3. Interpretation and discussion of the results measurement model analysis. Based on the result of the measurement model analysis that has been carried out by the research, there are two important things that must be considered. One, the result of the analysis indicate the measurement model of this study has met the requirement and has got statistical characteristic and is accessible to the model structure analysis stage. This model structure analysis was conducted to test the inner model of the research list. 2. There are no indicators that are eliminated in this research model because they meet the standard values in the structural model analysis result. Efficiency, trust, reliability, citizen support, e-government service quality, and perceived effectiveness. All hypotheses or 5 hypotheses are accepted. This can be seen from the value of the statistic 1.96. Interpretation and discussion of model analysis result. 1. The efficiency factor has a significant result, so that the efficiency factor has a significant effect on e-government service quality at Ombudsman Republik Indonesia. The result of this study are in accordance with Senia Papa Michelek, e-Gov2, a multiple item scale of assessing of e-government service quality. Respondents are of the opinion that using the Ombudsman website of the Republik Indonesia efficiency will have an impact on the quality of e-government service. This is indicated by the use of websites that are fast in or minutes to search for data information. 2. Trust factor, the statistic values above. This is the same as previously research by Senia, which states that the trust variable has an influence on e-government service quality. Respondents are of the opinion that the Ombudsman website of the Republic of Indonesia has provided good protection to user or the public, so that there is confidence in using the site. 3. The reliability factor with e-government service quality because it has a statistic value. This includes the technical function of truth and the accuracy of service promise. This is indicated by the good and fast response when user access the Ombudsman Republik Indonesia website and the news or information that is displayed is relevant. 4. Citizen support factor with e-government service quality because it has this statistic value above 1.96. This is the same as previous research by Senia, which states the citizen support variable has an influence on e-government service quality. E-government service quality factor has a significant effect on the perceived effectiveness factor because it has this statistic value above 1.96. Respondent argue that the Ombudsman Republik Indonesia has provided exceptional service quality and reduced overall risk. Conclusion: 1. It is now the hypothesis that user feels effective in using the website of the Ombudsman Republik Indonesia. This can be seen from the accept of the perceived effectiveness indicator in using the website. This shows that the quality of e-government service has a positive relationship and a significant effect on the perceived effectiveness of user when using website service to find information that is fast and easy to obtain. 2. There is a link between e-government service quality and perceived effectiveness. This has a positive impact on how the user feels. Perfect effectiveness builds and determines how effective e-government services are provided and contributes to evaluating effectiveness to meet future expectations. 3. Efficiency toward e-government service quality is a hypothesis that has the greatest influence in this study. Followed by reliability to e-government service quality, this show that all the variables in this study are felt to have a positive influence on the quality of e-government service. Efficiency has a big influence on with which user can get information and service, and the good quality of information by the website is because the appearance of the website is very influential in making user interest and easy to use. Thank you.